Hi, I'm Dan with Honeymooners Off-Road Adventures, and we are full-time travelers. Today I'd like to talk about our solar system that we've finally figured out. We've experimented a bit. I have some fixed mounted solar panels on the trailer, which they worked awesome, but the problem is trying to point the trailer in the right direction versus the campground and how you wanted that set up. And then on top of that, cloudy days, it didn't quite produce enough. So with that, we found these portable solar panel kits. These ones are the Bluettis. We have 400 watts here between the two. They're 200 watts a piece. Each setup will do 10 amps a piece on there. So right now, potentially between my fixed solar panels and these two, I have 600 watts and up to 30 amps on it. However, of course, due to sun or the further north that you go, the less effective they are. And then also temperature makes a difference too. When you get down around 0, these things really, they'll max out at the 10 with hardly any sun on them. So they make these in 120 watt for about $400. These ones here, the 200 watts, they run about $500. There's also a 350 watt one that runs about $800, and these are what I found on Amazon. I will provide an Amazon affiliate link down below in the description, and that'll take you to your Amazon site and then pull up that item for you automatically. With this, I needed to get an extension cord and a splitter and a few other things, which I can show you right over here. So I have these little splitters right here. These run about $7 a piece. And then I have this extension cord here. This extension cord, I currently have the 20-footer on it, which runs about $50. There's a 10-footer for $40 and a 30-footer for, I think it was $60 that I found on there. It's a little bit more than some of the ones that you see out there as far as cost-wise, but these ones are the only ones I found that they're actually like melted together or molded together, whatever you want to call it, which makes it a lot more convenient for when you put it away and put it out and whatnot. And then as far as on these solar panels go, they just unhook. You got to push in the little things and they unhook. Just like that. And then as far as putting it away, it's pretty simple. One of the things too that you can't see because it's on the back side is these little clippers right here, and that's for what they lean up against when you have it all put down together. Provide this nice little pouch too for putting your cable into. Just like that, and it's all set and ready to be packed up in there. This thing weighs about 14 pounds. Like I said, it is 20 by 20 on there. And if you have any more further questions, please put them in the comments below. Otherwise, look for the Amazon affiliate links that will be in the description below.